Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Gurlikar. I am student of 11th standard in Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Hepowal. Today, I am here to share my views about freedom fighters. We are in the 21st century, and today we are all enjoying kind of freedom without any rules and restrictions. It is because of all sacrifices made our freedom fighters. Our freedom fighters is the symbol of bravery. Freedom is our birthright and its protection is our responsibility. Life is meaningless without freedom. Our country, India, got a freedom after a long time from a British colonial power. British power started harming our culture and civilization. But then the Indian freedom fighter started the struggle for independence against the British. The Indian freedom is the one of most important progress in the history of India. We got the independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji and Shahid Bhagat Singh. We are achieved independent on after a long time. Time to get the freedom is Mangal Pandey started the first movement from a British in the colonial powers against the British in getting 57. Time to time there were many movements that case. The Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is become the first Prime Minister of country. Our country, India, become the independent on 15 August 1947. We should all respect these happy days in ours. We must proud to be Indians. I like some lines. You show you.